Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, you've seen the title of the video, I'm in a weird position. We are unboxing my new monitor. But first, I gotta, thank you, I've got to build up the suspense. So I had a gaming PC back 2016, 2017, and I had my BenQ monitor then, which I'll put a picture in at the end if I remember. It's always been my monitor. When I sold the PC and went over to consoles, I know that was a mistake, but I did. It was then up on, well, it was up on the wall. You can see the bracket. Bracket's still there. It was just then my TV for, it's not TV, but it was, I used Netflix and stuff. I don't watch actual TV. And I just used it for the last 4 years. But I thought it was finally time for an upgrade. So, this is not sponsored. I bought it. I paid for it. We have the HP 24FW with audio. 60 by 40 centimeters, 23. It's 23 inches. Digital diagonal. So, I can't speak. Diagonal display. So what are we rocking? Has it got the specs on it? Yeah. We've got 180p, which is the standard. It's 75 Hz, which is better than the one I've got. And AMD FreeSync technology in it, but I do use a NVIDIA GTX something or another card, so I don't know whether that will help me. It's got ultra wide viewing, which is cool. 75, I said 75 Hz. It's got a VGA and a HDMI cable, which, I would have thought that VGA had died off years ago, but maybe not. Right, let's try and open it. I don't actually have my scissors. I didn't bring scissors up, which is just perfect. My keys somewhere. This is really professional. No, great. I'll have to just try and rip it open, which I need to do on camera. I say rip it open, you know what I mean. I should have prepared for this video. Okay, I'm going to cut and I'll be back with something. And I'm back. Don't forget one of these when you're doing an unboxing, because you're going to need it. Right, let's do this. The last, I do my vinyl unboxings, but really I should call them unwrappings, as it's never really in a box, they're just wrapped in that cellophane. But, that's not, it's always clickbait to say you're doing an unboxing, in a way. The Samsung phone unboxing I did when I got my new phone back in November was one of the most popular videos I've done. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Right. Come on, out you come. Out you come. Okay, try it this way. Must be. There we go. So, let's move that out of the way. Move you out of the way. Stop. So, we've got our stand. It's a nice metal stand, which is great. The one I've got for that TV is plastic. Comes with a HDMI cable. I don't need one, but perfect. Power lead, kettle lead, also perfect. Got the boring warranty stuff. And then, wait a minute. We got this as well. Is that for that? I thought there's two power. Oh no, I'm being stupid. Yeah, that goes in there, right. It's a power adapter. So that's more of the stand. Let's get scissors again. I always go careful with scissors and standing knives. I'm a family friendly channel. There might be kids out there. I should do this on camera. Oh, Oh, that looks nice. Alright, I'll have a look. My turn. Ooh. So it seems quite easy to put together, which I'm not going to do on camera because I need to stand up and that's not a nice sight for you, the viewer. But it's really heavy, which is great. You know, if you buy a monitor and it's really light, you know something's wrong or it's not good quality. But I had a look. This is from PC World, and it's really alright. So you've got your buttons, you've got your I/O, and I don't know if anyone's interested in the energy stuff, but that, and it is, I mean, it's really, besides the bottom obviously, it is really thin, which is great. And no, I need you to come all the way off. There we go. Oh, I'm tired, but yeah, there it is, my new monitor. I will edit in a picture of my old one if I remember, but let's put that somewhere safe. Ugh. There we go. It's going to sit here. It's sit right there until I'm ready to build it. The old one is a 27-inch, and I just find that with how wide my desk is wider than it is longer, so I'm sat, you know, really close to it, and it is a very old monitor, and I've just noticed the pixels and just being too close and it being too big. So this one obviously is 23-inch, which is a lot smaller, and for me it should be a lot better. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I think it's been great. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Take care, everyone. I wink now.